In this essential software guide, we are going to learn how to delete Grammarly completely from your computer. If you have decided to switch to a different writing assistant or you simply find that the pop-ups are getting in the way of your work, I will show you how to remove the software from your system settings and, very importantly, how to clean up the browser extensions that often get left behind. Grammarly is helpful, but it integrates deeply into your system to check your spelling everywhere. This means that simply deleting the shortcut on your desktop is not enough to stop it from running in the background. I am your host, and in this complete guide, we will perform a full removal. We will start by uninstalling the main application through the Windows settings to free up space. Then we will look at your web browser, because even if the app is gone, the extension might still be reading your emails and documents online. Let us remove the software. First, to remove software, you need to close it. It is possible that the software is open as usual. It opens on startup. If you try to write something and you get the G icon, then the software is open. You can click on the arrow from the bottom right to see the other apps opened. If you see the G icon, then right-click it. A menu will appear. Click on Quit. Now the app is closed. We need to remove the desktop application. Click on the search input from the taskbar. Search the text Remove App. From the list of results, click on the Add or Remove Programs. You will see a list of all your programs, so scroll down or use the search bar to type Grammarly. When you find Grammarly for Windows, click on the three dots next to it or click directly on the name. Select Uninstall and confirm your choice to remove the main program. Now that the desktop app is gone, we must check your browser. Open Google Chrome, Edge, or whatever browser you use and look for the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner, which represents your extensions. Click on Manage Extensions to see everything installed. Find the green Grammarly logo in the list, click the Remove button, and confirm the removal one last time to ensure it stops checking your online typing. After you have removed both the app and the extension, it is a good idea to restart your computer. This ensures that any background processes or temporary files related to the writing assistant are completely cleared from your random access memory. So, we have reached the end of our guide. We have learned how to fully uninstall Grammarly from your PC. We removed the core application via the Windows settings and cleaned up the browser extensions to ensure your typing is no longer being monitored by the tool. I sincerely hope this uninstallation guide helped you clean up your system. If you found it useful, please give a like to this video as it helps the channel. And if you want to know about other lightweight alternatives for spell checking, do not forget to subscribe. Finally, I have a question for you. Leave a comment below and tell me, why did you decide to delete it? Was it too expensive or just too annoying? I'm curious. Thanks for watching.